Hello everybody, in this lecture we are going to learn string formatting in Python. String formatting is a very deep subject. We will explain some of the most important points. For a more in-depth look, you can always check out Python website. String formatting is a way of displaying variables nicely. There are two ways of formatting a string. The first one is old way. Actually, I prefer the old way more than others. The other one, but of course we will explain both of them, and you can use which one you like more. Okay, the first way is the old way, and here I will say first I want to create a variable here, and I will say score is equal to 90, and after that here I want to use print function, print, and of course with format method. Here I will say your score is now curly brackets here, okay, and after that here when I end my string here after quote, okay, I need to say dot format, and here between parentheses I need to pass in my variable name score, and let's check it how it is working. Shift enter. As you see, Python returns me your score is 90, because now as you see here this placeholder curly brackets here, we will replace our score variable with this curly brackets. It is working like that. Okay, of course we can use more than one variable. Let's also make this example. I will say here previous score, okay, previous score is equal to 75. okay, now I will use again format method, and I will say print your score is curly brackets here, and after that comma, and your previous score was again curly brackets here, and now after quote I need to say dot format, and now for the first placeholder, first curly brackets, I need to say here score variable, because it is the first score, right, that one. So I will say score and comma previous score. Okay, that one, this variable will be replaced with second one, and the first one will be replaced with that one. Okay, if I press shift and enter, as you see, it's Python returns me your score is 90 and your previous score was 75. We can also use variable numbers if you want to provide your variables in a specific order. To do that, I want to create another variable, and I want to say last score. Okay, last score is, let's say, 80. Okay, and now here I will say print single quotes, double quotes, your score is, and between curly brackets I will say 1. Okay, and after that your previous score was, here I will say 0, and I will say and your last score, we can say will be not, we can say your last score is, okay, and this is only example, of course, and your last score is, let's say, 2. Okay, now here I will say format. Okay, and after format I will say for the first one, what I need to do here, actually here I need to say first previous score, and now I will explain why it's like that. Previous score, and for the one I need to say score, and for 2 last score. And now if I press shift and enter, as you see, it's Python returns me your score is 90, your previous score was 75, and your last score is 80. Remember, in Python and many other programming languages, indexing start at 0, like here. Okay, and in above example we have provided 3 variables to format method. Inside the string we have specified that the first placeholder here, that one, should be replaced with the argument at index 1, that one, okay, because this is index 0, previous score at index 0, score is at index 1, and last score is at index 2. Okay, the second placeholder should be replaced with argument at index 0, and the last one should be replaced with the argument at index 2. Okay, and this is the old way. For string formatting I usually used the old way. Now let's learn the newer way, and there is also a newer way. Let's also read this one. There is also a newer way of using string formatting. Just prepend the string with f and directly use your variable inside the placeholder. What I mean here, I want to create a variable and I will say name is equal to Volkan. Okay, and after that here I will use new way, print, and to say before f, okay, and after that hello, here again curly brackets and my variable name. Okay, now if I press shift enter, as you see Python returns me hello Volkan. That one is new way. We need to say firstly f, after that quotes, and here for the placeholder inside the brackets we need to pass in our argument. Okay, and let's also use another one. Actually it will be very similar, but I want to create another variable here, and I will say answer is equal to 42. Now let's add some cells. Here I will say print f, and now I will use single quotes. Okay, the answer is here curly brackets and answer, my variable. Okay, as you see Python returns me the answer is 42. Okay, and what is next? Sometimes when we use float numbers we would like to display only a few digits after the decimal point. We can do that using string format specification. What I mean here, I want to create the p variable, and the real value of p is, it is 22 divided by 7. Okay, this is real value of p, and after that here I will say print, and of course f, and after that here quotes p equals, now my variable is between curly brackets p, right? And if I press shift, and as you see Python returns me the value of p. Of course it is larger than, there are many more numbers here, digits for the p, but Python returns me only how many digits here, I don't know, maybe 20, 15, something like that. Now I want to only show after dot here 2 decimals. Okay, 2 digits. How can I do that? Let's also learn it. Okay, here I will say print, and again f, quotes, okay, and the p is equal to between curly brackets p and colon. Okay, and after that I want to say dot to f. What I mean here, let's explain it. We put a colon after our variable name and put the format specification after that. Dot to f means display the variable as a float with 2 digits after the decimal point. Okay, if I press shift and enter, and let's check our result, as you see after that I only print out 2 digits. Okay, that means if you want to, for example, print out 4 digits, you need to say dot for f. Let's check it also. As you see after that here I only print out 4 digits. Okay, but here's something important, you need to use also colon. This is how we can use string formatting. For now that's all. See you in the next.